Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we will be touring a 4-star hotel which is situated in the central Berawa. It is Beachfront hotel and the name is Haven Suites Bali. The room we will be touring today is priced 899,000 Indonesian rupiahs, which is around 45 pounds, and you do get a breakfast with that as well. Let's have a walk inside and see what this hotel has to offer. Right guys, so we are just in front of our room. Behind us there is a restaurant. We're gonna show you that place towards the end of the video, as well as a beachfront area. This is our room. So one of the best things about this room, and the reason why we chosen this room with the help of the management, is this is the most popular room of this hotel.
They say it's a guest's favorite.
Guest favorite, and guest why? Because of the access to the swimming pool, and also it is really private, so you do have enough of privacy. Despite the fact it is a hotel, you still do get quite decent privacy in a hotel.
Yeah.
Let's go in. So whole room in the hotel seems really Balinese style, would you agree?
Yeah, it's lots of wood.
Wooden elements, yeah, wooden chair.
Yeah.
I think
Comfortable?
Oh, yeah. I could easily chill here the whole day. Weird sounds, but it is good, huh? Okay, do you want to show the guys the room?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alina will take over from here.
Okay, let's go to the room. Welcome to the room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
What do we have here?
Let's start with the most important part.
Yeah, bed, as always. Massive bed with how is this called?
Like a bed side table,
yeah,
cushioned.
Yeah, sofa. You've got amazing space where to relax, overlooking the pool.
Try to lie down there how large it is, just for a comparison for the people. So easily two people can squeeze.
Yeah, definitely. It's very comfortable. So bedside table with a beautiful one. It's all done in wood. You see?
Yeah.
All these details. I assume it's all handmade.
We love wood, don't we?
Yeah. It gives that special vibe to the place.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wardrobe. It has mini bar, some tea, coffee making facilities available.
Yeah. It is simple, and you can use it as a extra storage.
Yeah. Working desk.
For busy ones.
For the ones who cannot stop working.
Yeah.
TV, large TV.
Like Jay.
Large TV. Another wardrobe where you can actually store your stuff. And they give you this nice
beach basket,
bag.
yeah, for your towels.
Beach bag, which
That's
is
cool.
really good. Yeah. Okay, so on other side of the bed, it's pretty the same situation. You've got bedside table, phone. You can ring a reception, and pretty much that's it.
I like that cushioning.
Oh yeah.
Really interesting, and also a lot of details as well over here. Yeah, many of those details are actually handmade. Balinese are quite famous for their woodwork and furniture, for sure.
It's very traditional feel. Okay, and let's go and check the bathroom.
Wow.
Look at this.
Nice.
Nice, spacious
Bathtub.
bathtub, large in the middle of the bathroom.
Yeah.
Double sink, amazing for couples.
Yeah, that is very important for couples.
Yeah.
And yeah, comment below guys if you have a problem with sharing a sink, or your girlfriend spends too much time in the bathroom.
Well, that's me.
This is definitely useful. Little basket.
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
All the toiletries are provided, everything you would ever need.
Yeah. Just normal stuff as in hotels.
Then you've got two large doors.
Yeah.
One leads to the toilet.
Yeah.
Have a look. Just simple.
Spacious.
Yeah. And standing shower.
Standing shower, the same size, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Large enough. They've got these nice grey tiles, which looks like stone.
Yeah.
Stone tile.
It's a very popular style in Bali.
Yeah.
I also like those details. We didn't pay enough of attention to these details.
Very traditional,
Super nice.
very Balinese. And look at this door type of thing. It's like
Yeah.
a traditional Balinese entrance to the house.
Do you want to try to open it?
I don't know. Where do you think it
Yeah.
leads? Nowhere.
To Narnia.
To the bath.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so it's very nice and spacious bathroom.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
I like it as well.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back out. So guys, that was the room. Let us know in the comments how did you like the room and would you pay £45? I'm not sure how much is it in the dollars for this room. It is quite spacious, it's really nice, and also look at the swimming pool access. So you can just literally wake up in the morning, jump straight to the swimming pool, refresh yourself, get your coffee and head to the breakfast. And this is exactly where we're going now. We're gonna have a quick look on a restaurant, so let's go together. Guys, so this is the restaurant. It is closed at the moment because people are out, they are not eating. Breakfast is included in a room rate and also I believe dinner as well. I like the colors of the restaurant.
Yeah.
It's really modern, really spacious, and also I love the black details. That's my new favorite.
And
Black
loads
details
and
everywhere.
loads of wood everywhere. Look at. Yeah.
So swimming pool continues over here, so it basically stretches along a whole hotel.
Yeah, it gets deeper here, so
Yeah. It's less deep over there, I believe.
I can show, yeah. Yeah, you can see it's 60 centimeters deep here. And then you've got this bridge and main pool area.
Okay guys, so this is a little bar area, I believe, where you can get your early morning coffee or perhaps some snacks. You can also get a breakfast over here before heading to the beach, because this is again beachfront resort. You have a direct access to the beach. Beach is called Berawa Beach. Let's have a look. Right guys, and here we are at the front of the hotel. Beach, as you can see, is right there.
We can
Berawa
hear
Beach,
it very
as we
well.
mentioned, yeah. Also, it might be a little bit windy, so apologies for that. You can definitely enjoy sunset over here. You can definitely have your glass of wine or a glass of beer. And sunset in the Bali are absolutely amazing.
World famous.
Bali is world famous for a sunset, the most beautiful sunset in the world. Also behind us, over here, we do have some extra sunbeds,
Yeah,
so you can enjoy some
loungers.
sun. And this little feature over here, I believe this will be for a Instagram. Okay.
Yeah, they make these things all around the Bali.
So you can
Yeah.
sit inside and take a beautiful picture for your Instagram if you are one of the people who utilize Instagram for a business perhaps as well.
But this is very nice spot for sunset. I really like it. Beautiful
Yeah,
place.
it's super cool.
Yeah.
Super cool. This is where the river, or I'm not sure if that's the river, meets the sea as well.
Yeah. Look at the place. It's stunning.
Super nice.
Yeah.
How many rooms did they mention there?
60?
Around 60
60.
rooms.
It's not too big
4
resort.
different types, as we said. Right guys, again, let us know if you like this hotel. We personally really do, because it's beautiful, it's modern.
It's beachfront.
It's beachfront.
It's
and
beautiful
it's,
place.
a lot of wood here, and we love wood.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, comment or contact us on the social media. We are happy to respond and
Always.
give you as many advices as possible. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank
See you
you.
soon.
See you.